I have just a couple of comments about the course before we dive into the material. One is that 61A is actually not the perfect course for everybody. It's designed for people who are interested in majoring in computer science. It works pretty well for people who are also interested in applying computer science ideas to other disciplines. But it's a course where most people have done some programming before. And we don't require that you have done programming before, but if you have never programmed anything in your life, then you should expect to work quite hard in order to master the material in this course, because the course moves fast and it covers a lot of stuff. So one alternative is that there's another course called 61AS, which is the same topics, but you take it at your own pace, hence self-paced 61A. So in this course there are no lectures, and instead you go into lab and you work through the material at whatever pace feels comfortable to you, which gives you a little bit more time if you need it, or if you're someone who can just race through this course in a few weeks, that could be an alternative that won't slow you down. Another course you should know about is CS10, The Beauty and Joy of Computing. The first thing you should know about this course is that everyone who takes it seems to love it, which is great. So if you want to enjoy your course, you can. Go take CS10. Many people who take CS10 then come to take 61A afterwards. CS10 teaches you a programming language that was designed for education and therefore is very approachable and easy to use. And you also get to see a lot of the interesting concepts that show up in the 61A. Okay. So go check out those courses if you're interested. Check them out now as opposed to 2 weeks from now, because it's hard to switch into those courses once the semester gets going. Okay, some course policies. So the first course policy you should know about is that the purpose of this course is to help you learn. And the staff is here to make you successful in that purpose. So we're really trying to help. If you ever feel that you're stuck or overwhelmed, you should reach out to any of the staff members, your TAs, talk to me in advance whenever you think you're getting into trouble, and we're here to help you. That's our goal. There are many details about late policies, etc. You can read about them all online. We have to have rules, of course, for the course to run efficiently, but remember that we're on your side, so come talk to us if something isn't working. One specific area that you need to know about is collaboration. Can you work together? Yes. You should discuss everything with each other. Projects, homeworks, lectures. You can't talk during exams, but other than that, you should be talking to your peers all the time. Learn from your fellow students. This works really well. In fact, we have something called EPA, Effort, Participation, and Altruism, which is a way for us to just measure how much you've participated in the course, and this can be anything you want to do, from coming to discussions in labs and participating, asking questions, answering other people's questions, working through the exercises with your peers, contributing to the online forums, coming to office hours. Whatever it is you do that makes you part of this community is fine with us. Homework comes weekly, and it can be completed with a partner if you want, or if you want to work on it yourself, that's fine. These are designed to be kind of homeworks that you can work through by yourself. So they're not so big that you can't do them by yourself, but it's often very helpful to work with a partner. And by the way, Homework 1 is already published and it's due Monday, September 9th. Projects, of which there are 4, are larger programming assignments that really are designed to require 2 people to finish. So of course, some people do them on their own anyway, and that's fine. But it's really, you're better off if you have a partner to work through these. Things go faster with a partner, you get more of the answers right, and you don't have to do all of the work yourself. So that means you should think about finding a project partner as soon as possible. Find a project partner in your section if you can, because then you'll see each other all the time and you can check in, and you'll both have the same TA to talk to if you run into trouble. If you can't find a project partner in your section, then find someone else in the class. Now there are limits to the amount of collaboration because we want you to represent your own work when you turn it in. So there's one simple rule around that, which is don't share your code with other people except for your partner. So you can talk about approaches to problems, exactly the structure of a solution that you come up with. The only thing that you shouldn't do is show somebody else exactly the code that you wrote to solve a problem. In particular, if you copy the solutions to projects, that's a serious offense. Like, people fail this course. So really don't do that. And we really do catch people who violate that rule because, by the way, we also know how to search the web for solutions. I do work at Google. And we have software to detect potential copying. So it compares your project with everybody else in the class, all the submissions from previous semesters, anything we find on the web. So basically, you need to do your own work, and we'll notice if you don't. So please do your own work. Now, I know that people only don't do their own work if they get stuck or they get in trouble and it's a panicky situation where they just need to turn something in. So instead of getting in that last minute situation, come talk to us if you're getting stuck and we'll help you through it.